You can move photos on your iPhone to a hidden folder, which removes them from your main camera roll and puts them quite literally in a hidden folder that's only accessible with Face ID or passcode. Go to the Photos app, pick a photo or video, and then tap these three dots on the top of your screen. Then choose Hide and hide the photo. You'll see how it disappears from the photo gallery, but it's still saved on my phone. To view your hidden items, go to Collections on the bottom, and then scroll down to the hidden album. Like I said, you'll need a passcode or Face ID to access this folder. Tap View Album, authenticate, and you'll see all your hidden photos and videos here. To hide multiple items at once, use the Select button on the top of your screen. Then choose what you want to hide and repeat the steps. If you want to bring photos from the hidden folder back to your main camera roll, you'll simply do the same process reversed. Go to the hidden folder, choose the items you want to unhide, and then use the three dots on the top to unhide them. This puts them back in your photo gallery where they used to be before hiding them. And that's it. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and check out my iOS playlist for more quick and simple guides like this.